Hi, this is Team on the Frontend, and our project is called MealPet. So it is basically we created a web service that allow people to have meal with strangers and to make friends with them. So this is our project's start page, and users can click sign up to sign up an account with them. And since we already have some accounts, so I will just log in. Okay, so this is the search page, which is also our main page. So on the right side, it will uh, it will show the private chat rooms that's available. Now currently there are no private messages, so the list is empty. And here we can first we can change our current location by typing the location you want. So let's say I'm currently at Campus Circle, and it will change to the according location on the map. And then you can use the find nearby search functionality to search for nearby users and nearby restaurants. Okay, so let me first refresh page to go back to to my origin location. And also users can use the direct search to search for restaurant. Let's say I want to search for black dog. Okay. Okay. So it is shown on the map, and we can click it to see its brief informations. And if you want to see if a user want to see the detail, he can click the see detail button, but we will not do it for now. And let's say I want to search for nearby users that are in 1,500 meters. So let me click search. So here there are some users shown on the map, and by clicking on it, we can see the basic information of users. Also, we can see the common restaurants we have both been to. So here, Ding and I have both been to the Black Dog, and if I want to chat with him, I can click chat to enter the private chat room, and I will send him some message. Hi, this is Andy. Do you want to have lunch with me? Okay, now let's go to another account. Let's sign into Ding's account. Okay, here on Ding's private chat list, we can see that there is a new chat room, and with its title with a red title. So here the red title means there are new incoming messages that I have not read yet. So I will click into it and read the messages. And I can see, well, so Andy sent me some message, and I will reply to him. Sure. Have a great about. Okay, now on the Andy side, he can see that Ding has replied some message, and so this chat room like happens in real time. And now say Ding leaves the chat room, and I can see that Ding left the chat room, and I can also leave the chat room. So now there is a private chat room here, and its title is blue, which indicates there are no new messages. And also on the Ding side, the title is also blue, so there's no new messages. Okay, and so since Ding said he has created a post on Golden Harbor, I can go to that to check out that restaurant. Okay, here. So this is the restaurant detail page where it will show the basic information of restaurants, like price, rating, or something. And it can also show the posts that user have already created. So I can also create a post like have fun too. Say I want to create it at tomorrow. So okay, now I have successfully created a post. And another thing to note that um, our web service will automatically recycle the outdated post. So let's say if I want to create a post at in March, which has already passed. So let's say I created a post, but if I refresh the page, wait a second. So our recycle checks every 60 seconds. So let us wait for some time. Yeah. So you can see the post has been recycled, and now I can check the post that Dean created. Okay, here this is the post detail page, and we can see the post title and some details of the post, like who created the post and also who are planning to go to the post, and we can click on those names to see their basic information and also the common restaurants they have both been to, like, and so if they want to, if the user want to, like, say if the restaurant is far away from his location and he wants to say if he can plan routes with another person who want to go to restaurant, and he can click plan routes button, and it will suggest midpoint for these two users, and so those two users can first meet at this location, and then meet, and then, like, say take a Uber and to the restaurant. So it will show the suggested location address. So actually there are several different situations. Let's say Frank. So here, since these two users are at opposite side of the restaurant, so we will simply suggest them to meet at the restaurant. So actually our algorithms works for different situations. Yeah, here these are the two users, and we suggest them to meet here, and then go together. Okay. So now I have seen that there are many companies, and I also want to join the post. I can click join, and I will be added to the post, and then I can go to the public chat room associated with this post. And when I enter the chat room, it will populate the chat histories. I can see the chat history of Dean and Frank, and I will say, "Hey, this is Andy. I want to join you guys." Okay, and I leave, and I've already joined it, and say I want to tell Dean that, oh, I joined the post. Okay, now Dean will see a new message indicator and from Andy, and he will click into it and say, and it will see that Andy's new message, and he can, nice. That's let's see. Nice. See you then. Okay. So that's basically the functionality of our project. Thanks.